Hi, I'm Alana, and today I'll be talking to you about 6threezero's new quick assembly 20-inch kids bike. You only need one tool to assemble the bike, which is a 6mm Allen key. Let's get started. When you open the box, the first thing you'll see is the seat. You can take that out. Next is the bike. Everything is zip tied together, so you'll just have to remove those zip ties and tape. Here we have the handlebars. We can set those aside for later. All right, now most of the packaging is removed. We just have this last zip tie. Go. You can see here that the front wheel is attached to the fork. Usually the fork comes attached to the frame, but on the quick assembly version, it comes attached to the front wheel. Last pieces. Okay, so next what you'll want to do is attach the fork to the frame. You do that by sliding it into this hole right here. Now that it's in, you can put the kickstand down. And next are the handlebars. Slide it in through the top. There's a little plastic piece that you'll need to remove up here. And this is where the tool comes in. So you grab your Allen wrench and tighten this bolt. Now you don't need to worry about aligning the handlebars. As you tighten the bolt, the handlebars will self-align. So you just keep tightening until you can't anymore, and you'll see that the handlebars are straight. Then you'll use the same Allen key to loosen the bolt on the front. Then you can adjust the handlebars and tighten that bolt back up. All right, that's it for the tool. Now we're going to put down the pedals. So you just push it down, easy. Both sides, that's it. Okay, now we just have to put in the seat. First, you might want to adjust this screw a little. You hold both sides and then twist one to tighten. That way it doesn't just slide all the way to the bottom. So you can put the seat in. There's a little resistance, but I'm going to need to tighten it some more. Okay, so once this screw has been tightened, you can adjust your seat to your desired height and then go ahead and close this clamp. If you're not able to close it, then you probably made it too tight and you'll need to loosen it a bit. But there you go. You can make sure that the seat is aligned with the frame and your bike is assembled.